India has been an agricultural country since ancient times, providing quality food to its people and other parts of the world. The shortage of food supply during the 1960s to introduce the Green Revolution, a concept that involved the extensive use of chemical and synthetic fertilizers. This ultimately harmed the fertility of the soil, resulting in numerous health conditions among the people of India. Similar issues occurred in other parts of the world.
Rudolf Steiner, 1861–1925, was an Austrian philosopher, spiritual teacher, and social reformer. He founded Anthroposophy, a spiritual movement emphasizing human development and consciousness. In 1924, Steiner introduced biodynamics, a holistic approach to agriculture, in response to concerns about soil degradation and agricultural decline.
He delivered 8 lectures, in which he introduced various biodynamic preparations and manures, including biodynamic compost, using natural products like cow dung, silica, and various herbs.
Steiner's agricultural lectures in Koberwitz, Poland, now Kobierzyce, Poland, emphasized 1. Viewing farms as self-contained ecosystems. 2. Using natural preparations to enhance soil fertility. 3. Considering cosmic and terrestrial influences on plant growth. 4. Fostering biodiversity and ecological balance. Steiner's biodynamic principles have inspired a global movement, promoting sustainable agriculture and environmental stewardship.
"57 countries around the world have joined the biodynamic farming movement."
Peter Proctor, a New Zealand biodynamic expert, dedicated his life to promoting sustainable agriculture in India. From 1994 until his passing in 2018, Proctor worked tirelessly with Indian farmers, NGOs and governments. Key contributions: establishing the Biodynamic Association of India (BDAI) in 1999, conducting workshops, training programs and demonstrations, developing region-specific biodynamic practices, collaborating with local organizations and governments. Proctor's work transformed Indian agriculture, empowering farmers to adopt sustainable methods and improve livelihoods. The Biodynamic Association of India (BDAI) initiated and supported the formation by Peter Proctor, promoted biodynamic agriculture in India. Training and capacity building programs, demonstrations and farm visits, networking and collaboration, advocacy and policy engagement, research and development, BDAI initiatives, biodynamic farming training for small-scale farmers, organic farming certification programs, soil health improvement projects, biodiversity conservation efforts. Demeter International, a global certification body, verifies biodynamic practices. BDAI collaborates with Demeter to certify Indian biodynamic farms. Demeter certification ensures adherence to biodynamic principles, high-quality produce, environmental sustainability. BDAI's partnership with Demeter enhances India's biodynamic credibility and market access. Biodynamic principles ensure soil vitality, biodiversity conservation, minimal external inputs. Biodynamic farming produces high-quality food characterized by rich nutritional content, vibrant flavors and textures, improved shelf life, Environmental sustainability.
The BDAI has ambitious plans to spread the concept of biodynamics across India by establishing biodynamic offices in all states in the near future.
BDAI has established regional chapters across India. In Tamil Nadu, focuses on small-scale farmer empowerment. In Karnataka, emphasizes sustainable agriculture and market linkages. In Uttarakhand, concentrates on Himalayan region-specific biodynamics. In Kerala, promotes organic and biodynamic farming in spices and tea. KIN in Andhra Pradesh supports farmer cooperatives. In Gujarat, develops biodynamic mango and livestock practices. In northeast states of India, encourages regional biodiversity conservation and tea plantation. In Odisha, focuses on tribal community empowerment. Consuming biodynamic produce supports sustainable agriculture, ecological balance, and human well-being.